Section.
There is no need to record it. I don't know. Is there a need to record it?
No.
Okay. So, he caught little. Here we have he caught little number of fish. Let me send the answer key because I want to. Let me just save this. So we have A here. I circled A and B. So great. Bravo, Mr. Lima. A. And here we have a great bird. Okay. And text. Fidel, number 2. Go ahead, Fidel. Read the sentence, please.
The fisherman sold his fish in the market.
This is we already did this. Fidel, number 2.
Trudged means walk rapidly. False.
So what does it mean?
Trudged means walk slowly and tired.
Yes, slowly. It means walking slowly in a slow pace. Yes. So I'm going to cross this. Okay, we cross this and we say here slowly. We write slowly in a slow pace, miss. Okay.
Miss,
And of course with heavy steps, miss. Okay. Yes, miss. Go ahead.
I wrote trudge means walk slowly.
Yes. Yes. Correct. It's correct. So you can say slowly, unhurried, steady. Okay, this is the meaning
Like
of
this, I write.
walk.
What section? I don't know what section. Which section? Miss, I'm
Comprehension.
happy my cat's asleep, or else you will attack me for the milk that's in.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So let me go move on to Leia. Leia Shamal. Leia. Number
Teacher,
3, Leia.
I came now and I don't know which page.
Leia,
Oh,
page 7,
here.
comprehension question. Leia.
Yes. Do the third one.
Yes, the third one. Part B.
The bird had bright, dazzling silver
Dazzling.
feathers.
Okay.
Dazzling feathers. It's true.
It's true. The bird had bright. See here, had with bright dazzling silver feather. It's true. So we go here. We go to the answer. Okay, so this is true. Thank you, Leia. Leia, did you have a problem with the internet as well?
Yes, because the makina is يعني
It's
كل
broken.
شوي
It's broken.
No, but كل شوي no.
So there's something wrong with it.
Yes.
Okay, so let me go now to
Miss, if the electricity goes off, we have the generator, so the internet stays.
same here.
like me.
Muhammad, same,
Our house.
same here. I have a generator, Muhammad, but actually it stopped working today. I don't know why, and it's very tiring. Okay. Muhammad Ali Ajami. Muhammad Ali Ajami.
Yes.
We reached this question now. Let me just admit your friends. So, Miss, I keep admitting your friends. There's a problem with the internet. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know what to say. So, let me go down here. Am I recording the session? I don't know. Okay.
Yes, you are recording.
Yes, you are.
Okay, number 1, go ahead, Muhammad. Muhammad Ajami, go ahead.
How did the fisherman life change?
No, how did the Kaha bird help the fisherman?
Oh.
1.
Okay.
Yes.
How did the Kaha bird help the fisherman?
Yes, how did he? Are you sick, Muhammad?
No.
Okay. How did the Kaha bird help the fisherman?
Teacher,
Muhammad. This is, let me go to the reading selection. Yeah, Muhammad. How did he help the fisherman? Muhammad, take your time. Miss, not right on the screen.
teacher, now I can see you.
Yes, Muhammad.
The Kaha bird seed.
Yes.
Thus the Kaha said, I will bring a large
Can I answer?
Yes.
to your house that you can sell at the market.
This is it. So every day he will bring a large fish to the fisherman in order to sell at the market. Great job, Muhammad. So, Miss, we're going to write here. So, let me jot down. Yes. Okay, Miss, I'm going to remind.
I'm not seeing the screen.
Yes, Miss, remind me that you have to write the agenda first. Okay, I'm going to write the agenda at the end of the period. Instead of you waiting for me to send it via WhatsApp, I will send it via WhatsApp, but we're going to write. Yeah, but we're
Teacher,
going to write it during the
Can
class.
I answer the next question?
Okay,
I
so
went on my
Teacher, I want to tell you something.
just a sec. Okay, the Kaha bird. Please write the answer. The Kaha bird. Okay.
help the fisherman.
Will help.
Will help.
This is
Teacher,
how.
but you already helped him.
Oh my God. Just a sec. Ah,
Teacher,
how
I
did?
write.
Yes. Simple
Yes,
past.
without will.
Yes, yes.
By giving
Miss, you're right. We have simple past tense here. I was hasty. Miss,
Teacher,
if
can
you
I say it?
simple past, we answer in the simple past tense. Just a sec, Miss. I have to clear this. See how it's stuck now? See how it's stuck?
Miss, it's stuck and it's like I can't even see it.
Yes. The lion ate it. It had a big mouth.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
the lion ate it. It's actually that's how it is for me. It's behind the line.
Yes, it's the same here, Muhammad. So
That's so weird.
the Kaha
Bird.
bird.
Help the fisherman by
Help
bringing
the
a big
fisherman.
every day to his house.
Oh my God, I have smart students. I have smart students.
That
Miss,
everyone
A large fish to
Miss,
can
sell it in the market.
Oh, okay.
Miss, look at my cat.
every day.
By
Are
giving
you even
him
hearing?
a large,
Will bring a large fish to the
large
pool.
every day.
Not giving.
In the market.
Teacher, oh my God.
Miss, look at my cat just sitting here.
She's amazing.
a large fish.
Was she sitting on the reading book?
Yes, he's sitting on my reading book.
Miss,
I don't know what. He
أنا
loves to
بس
sit on books.
Teacher, but I write the Kaha bird help the
girl or a
fisherman by bringing
He is a
every
boy.
day a large fish. Not,
by bringing
But he
him,
can't have kids.
it's
but
stuck
I write
again.
every day. I write every day
It's stuck again.
a large.
Miss, please, I need to write. Do not erase it.
Okay, the Kaha bird helped the fisherman by bringing him,
to the market every day.
Miss, by bringing a large fish.
Teacher, tell them
Miss, okay.
fish to the poor man house that he can sell in the market.
Can you calm down? Can you calm down for a sec?
Okay.
Please.
sorry, but I cannot
Please, miss.
Teacher, wait, that.
The
Teacher,
Kaha bird.
sorry to
Please, just a sec, Celine. The Kaha bird helped the
Okay.
fisherman by bringing him, I forgot to write the word him here, a large fish every day
a large fish to sell it in the market.
to sell
It in the market.
at the market.
The market.
Miss, here you have, oh my God, it disappeared.
Miss.
Teacher,
Miss,
I wrote he
you
sent
can
a
see,
giant
I can
fish
see.
to the market every day.
Oh, we cannot draw.
I'm going to write it again.
Teacher, can I answer the next question?
Qasim, did you write it?
Yes, entirely.
Please,
Teacher,
please,
can
I write it from yesterday.
Teacher, we're gonna not read. Hello.
do you want me to
show us your eyes.
mute you?
Teacher, can you tell them to mute?
Do you want
Yes, teacher, mute us.
What him?
Yes, please.
No. Teacher, we're gonna not read.
Teacher, mute us.
I will.
No.
Qasim, where's Qasim?
ايش وراك؟
Where's Qasim? Qasim, please read the answer for me because
Yes.
I don't know what's wrong with
The
my
Kaha
students today. They're
bird
not
helped
listening to me. They're not listening to
Teacher,
me.
do I write it in the chat?
Go ahead, Go ahead, Qasim, please.
The Kaha bird helped the fisherman by bringing him a large fish every day to sell it at the market.
Okay, thank you. The Kaha bird helped the fisherman by bringing him every day a fish.
A large fish every day.
A large fish. By bringing him a large fish every day to sell at the market. Celine, number 2.
How did the fisherman's life change?
How did his life change, Celine?
The fisherman life changed by the Kaha bird. Because
Yeah, how did it change? Now he's selling the fish, the large fish, every day at the market. How did this change his life?
from the Kaha bird, the Kaha bird helped him to every day bring for him a large fish.
Yeah, but how did this change his life? What happened?
Yes.
It is in the reading selection. Go to the reading selection. How did it help him? Now he's selling the fish. Rahab.
Oh, teacher, I came home
Yes.
with plenty of food.
Yes. Now only food, Rahab. Can you add something, Rahab? Only
And
food?
clothes and clothes.
Yes. So how should I, Rahab, could you paraphrase? Thank you, Celine. Rahab, could you paraphrase? So, the fisherman's life changed, or who can paraphrase Celine's answer? Who can?
Life changed
Yes.
by
Qasim?
every day.
Qasim?
The fisherman's life changed when the dazzling bright feathered Kaha started bringing him a large fish so he can sell.
Yes, now I know. I want how. How did it change? Now he has what? Ali.
We have plenty of food
Yes.
and
So,
clothes and fabric.
yes.
Clothes
So,
made from fabric.
I'm going to write the fisherman. Yes, Ra'af. Do you want to add something? Yes, Ra'af.
But he brought him 50 bags of gold.
No, Ra'af.
That's at the end of the story.
This is the end of the story. The Shah's crier said, whomever
Yeah, but he didn't betray him.
finds the Kaha bird, okay, he will get an award of 50,
Oh, yeah.
okay,
Yes.
not the Kaha bird, okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, the fisherman, is it in the simple past tense? Is it in the simple past tense? The question, had,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
plenty of food,
How did?
yes, and clothing after the Kaha's help. So after the Kaha's help, now the fisherman and his wife. So should we add his wife? Wait, the fisherman's life. That's enough. The fisherman had plenty of food and clothing after the Kaha's help. Okay. Uh, let me go to
Teacher, can I do numbers?
3.
The next one.
Yes, go ahead, Aya.
Predict what the fisherman will do.
What do you think that the fisherman will do? It's a prediction. So it could be
After
true, it could be
when?
not true. So what do you think? It is
After when?
Aya, according to you, according to what you think, not according to the reading selection. What do you think that the fisherman will do? Would he bring the Kaha bird and give it to the Shah and get the reward? What do you think it will happen?
Yeah, I think yes. He will do that.
He will. So, can you
I
illustrate?
think
I predict. We say
I
I
th-
predict.
I predict that the fisherman will bring the kaha and take the reward of 50
Bags of gold.
50 bags of
50
gold
gold.
to
Yes.
be rich.
Yes. I
Of
predict
his
that.
greed.
Yes.
Maybe of his greed.
Because he's greedy. Okay. Who has another
Yeah.
prediction? Ali. What do you think that the fisherman will do?
I think the fisherman will bring a fake kaha and give it to the sheikh.
Shah?
And he Shah.
Yeah. Okay. So so he
bring
will trick.
fake and take the
He will trick the Shah and
Yeah,
take
he will not betray his
his.
bird.
Yeah, he will not betray the bird. Yusuf, what do you think? What do you predict that the fisherman will do?
predict that fisherman will use 400 men and pull the kahab.
You read it.
You read the
Yes.
story, Yusuf.
Me too, I read it.
Yusuf is tricking us. Okay, so let me see. Brahim Slim, what do you think that the fisherman will do?
He will betray his fish.
He will betray his fish? What do you mean by his fish?
He will betray the kaha bird.
The dog? He said the dog.
Brahim!
He said dog after.
Brahim, you made me laugh. Okay, Mariam, what do you think that the fisherman will do? Other than betraying his fish.
I got one that he didn't betray.
Mariam,
Yes.
what do you think that the fisherman will do? What do you think, Mariam? Would he betray the Kaha? Do you think that he will betray him?
What? Teacher, what does betray mean?
You don't know what it means?
To betray! Aya, Aya, let's say that you, Aya, said, Miss Rima, I love you so much. I would never, ever, ever, ever hurt you. And then you go behind my back and tell Jamal,
And to
that
bring my knife and
Miss
stab you.
Rima is so rude. Miss Rima is not nice. Miss Rima is mean. Then in this way, you would have
Teacher,
betrayed Miss Rima.
Trade.
Oh, like I said something and I
teacher,
said
like I
something
was lying
different.
to you, like I was lying to you, not for
You
Leah
stabbed
Jamal.
Miss Rima in the back. It means that you are not worth of,
Oh,
you're not
okay.
worthy of
Yeah.
trust.
Imagine you have a friend and he then stab your back. That's how
Yes,
he betrayed.
it is like stabbing someone in the back. It means that
That pains a lot.
yes.
I
Mariam,
watched so many movies like that.
Mariam, what do you think that it will happen next in the story? What will happen next in the story, Mariam? Do you have any predictions?
Teacher, I don't know.
You don't know, nothing crosses your mind? Nothing at all?
Tomorrow we'll say
No.
he
At least
betrayed the fisherman.
Teacher, can
Tomorrow.
I say?
yes, Celine, go ahead.
Okay. I think like the Kaha bird, like the first farmer will take the Kaha bird and give it to Kaha. I don't know what
Shah.
that.
Yes, so, okay, so I'm
Teacher,
going to
wait,
go
I
with,
have a question.
I
Shah
think
mean
that-
like a king?
yes, miss, yes. I
Yes,
think
like
the
Shah.
fisherman will
Like Shah.
betray the Kaha and let me go to the and what?
Teacher.
Yes,
Teacher. Maybe tomorrow one person would say that he betrayed the fisherman. Fisherman betrayed fisherman.
Teacher, what happened in the... Oh my
I'm going.
goodness.
Wait. I'm going to see here and receive the reward of 50 bags of gold. Yes. Where's this one?
50 times dollar. That's
I cannot write anymore. And I predict that the fisherman.
I feel like if he's Lebanese, when he
Teacher,
gets
I think that I predict that the fisherman will... Yeah, he will betray the Kaha bird and like trick him
Yes.
and do something that like
Teacher, I read the story.
And
no, she
like do something he thinks that it's nice the Kaha bird then
and turn
and,
him.
turn on.
Turn him.
Teacher, but I read the story.
The Shah.
and you read it too.
No, I didn't read it.
To
I didn't
How
read
did you know
it.
that it was like this?
to
Because
receive
it's
Aya
look like
and
that.
Celine to receive the 50 what?
50 gold.
50 gold.
Teacher,
50
imagine he's
Bag.
Lebanese and he gets the 50 gold, but what happened is the dollar نزلت عليه.
Okay, so I predict that the fisherman will betray the Kaha and turn him to the Shah to receive the 50 bags of,
To the Aminat Shah.
yes, 50 bags
I
of
keep
gold.
forgetting that.
Miss, on the side here,
No.
on the side here,
Celine, what's
I don't know what's wrong with Celine today. I think she has met the Kaha bird. I think she screamed now. She met the Kaha bird.
It's not real.
Okay, so Miss, let me just write the
It
agenda for
happened.
tomorrow. I want you to write the homework for tomorrow. You're responsible for the next page, and you are responsible for questions in page 96. So,
Which page?
read page 96.
96.
What? Which page?
96 in the
Oh,
Wonder
in
in the Wonder Book. Hanya.
96. Yeah.
96 and do questions for what else?
Let me
4
see.
and 5 and 7. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7.
Let me see just.
and 8 and 7.
I mean just 4 and 5. 4 and 5
Page
only.
96 questions in the reading.
Just a sec.
Teacher, I
These
mean 4
two.
and 5 only. 4 and 5 only.
4 and 5. Yes, 4 and
They
5.
don't write the.
Imagine.
Teacher, can you please stop because I want to.
Teacher,
Read
in
page.
mine there's 729 minutes left. 729.
Read page 96, everyone.
720
Read page
minutes
96
left.
and do
29 seconds.
Teacher,
720 minutes, you mean 7.20 seconds.
and do numbers
Numbers what?
and 5. No one will ask me now about Miss. Do we have a homework? Yes, Tia.
Teacher, but I didn't read. Yeah,
I
tomorrow
read
we're
all
gonna
the
read.
story.
Bravo,
Teacher.
Tia.
Tomorrow
Yes.
we're gonna
Teacher.
read.
Yesterday I read all the story.
Do we have a
Bravo, Tia.
homework?
Teacher, I read it in
What
the
are you-
break. All of it. I read it in the break.
I already know I have homework.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, go
Tomorrow
ahead.
we're gonna. Teacher, because I didn't read and there's a lot that didn't read. Tomorrow we're going to read.
Yeah, now read page 96 and now do numbers 4 and 5. Yes, Mariam.
Because
Yes.
95 I didn't read it.
I want to ask what means.
You have to look look for it, Mariam. I told you, I circled this word. You have to look.
Google.
Yes, Muhammad.
Because
Means
now I
goat.
Muhammad.
I don't want Google. I can ask my sister.
Muhammad.
Miss,
I have a dictionary. Right?
Miss, do I still have to read page 96 if I already read the whole story?
Yes. you have to.
Yesterday I read
Miss,
I have a
yesterday I read the whole story 3 times.
Yusuf.
Teacher,
Yusuf.
tomorrow we're gonna read page 95
Miss, can my,
because I didn't read it.
Miss, can my teddy bear read the story instead?
No, you have to read it.
Fine.
15.
Okay, Miss, I have to.
Can my dad read the story? I don't
Teacher,
read
I want to tell you
my
something.
bedtime story.
Miss,
So next.
Miss,
Grade
Miss,
one.
I know who you will let read the story.
Miss, so
The mighty cat.
tomorrow Muhammad, you betrayed me. You told me that you're going to record a video of your cat and you did
I
not.
am showing you my cat now, Miss.
No, I told you I need a video.
Wake up.
So you betrayed
Did you send it for me? Send it for me the video of the cat. I love the cat.
Oh my goodness.
Cute.
Okay, so Miss, I have to say goodbye now. I have
No, before saying goodbye. Teacher, before saying goodbye, can I tell you something?
Tell me. Go
The
ahead.
cat
I
passed
didn't
away.
read page 95.
Why
I
didn't
didn't
you
read
read?
page 95.
Why didn't
You didn't ask me. You didn't ask me to read it.
Oh, cute cat.
Aya?
Who is
Aya?
Dad,
I didn't
it's
ask.
Mariam and Mustafa.
I didn't ask you to read page 95 yesterday via WhatsApp.
Teacher means
Yeah,
Teacher,
you found
no!
it.
Teacher, I mean that I didn't read it now with you.
Okay. Tomorrow you will read. Yes, Leia. Leia, let me see Leia. Leia is quiet. Yes, Leia.
What's homework today?
Then you're gonna write the agenda.
Yes, Leia. Leia, read page
Here's
96
the agenda. Read page 96 and do
and do numbers
numbers.
4 and 5. and
Teacher
do that.
Muhammad Sabra and Ibrahim are
I
putting
see.
their cats.
See how quiet cats are? They do not move.
Yes.
See?
Teacher, I want to tell you something.
I love the cat.
Teacher, my cat passed away.
Oh my God, Bob, I love the cat. Oh my God, this is so cute.
Her eyes.
Teacher Ali Qasim's cat passed away.
I'm so sorry, Ali.
Where's Bob's cat?
I love the cat.
My cat is only 9 months old.
Teacher, her eyes is very nice.
It's the same as my
So
eyes.
cute.
Blue.
I'm hungry.
Okay, miss.
Me
Leia,
too.
are you done?
I'm slimy.
Leia, are you done?
But I can't eat.
I'm slimy.
Muhammad, it's cute.
Teacher.
I'm Simon.
I'm slimy.
عن جد يا سليم.
Yes, wallah.
Leia,
I think
are
she
you done?
dumped her food.
I'm done.
Okay, Miss, goodbye. I have another class. Stop talking. You have big chatterbox.
You have 4 minutes.
Bye. I will miss you so much.
Bye.
I
Bye.
miss you so much.
I will miss you, يا قلبي. Bye, Leia. Bye, Habibi. Bye. So, Miss, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. I cannot close. I cannot close the meeting. Oh my God. Lamar, it's stuck.
Teacher,
Yes, Aya.
where are you?
I'm here. Okay, yalla, Miss. Bye. See you tomorrow.